Great for Thanksgiving, Christmas, holidays. It has all those warm flavors that you're looking for in a holiday dish. Hi, my name is Nicolas Weber, chef owner of Popular Modern Bistro. Today we will be making Koji roasted baby yams with a Koji crème fraîche, toasted pistachio, and Yuzu Kosho. Alright, so first step, we have to add these beautiful baby yams. We're going to roast in the oven just till the skin starts to separate, and then we'll pull them out of the oven so we can peel them. So first we're going to go in the oven with these. Alright, so these are going to go in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and then we'll pull them out to peel them. So we have the crème fraîche, garlic, toasted pistachio, baby watercress, green onions, lime, and Yuzu Kosho. Pull them out and check them. Skin has started to separate from the yam itself. So now that these yams have cooled and we can handle them, we're gonna want to peel the skin off of them. So just take a little break where the skin is peeled and pull back the skin. We have that beautiful roasted yam. I love this dish because it's very fall, and with the marinade of the koji on there, it really breaks down the starches of the yam and makes it nice and sweet. And we get that caramelization and then intense umami flavor from the koji. Okay, now that we have our 2 yams peeled, I want to marinate it with the koji. Put a couple tablespoons of koji in the bowl. And we just want to rub that koji all over the yam. We want to spray the pan with a lot of oil or a little bit of butter. That way it doesn't, the sugars don't caramelize and stick to the pan. We're gonna place our 2 yams on there. A little bit of salt. And we're gonna go back into the oven for about 10-15 minutes until that koji caramelizes. Now we're gonna make one of my favorite sauces for this dish. It's very utility and it goes great with fish, vegetables, steak. And it's basically really simple. It's koji crème fraîche. So it has koji, Shio Koji, garlic, crème fraîche, and a little bit of lime juice and salt. So first we have our crème fraîche or sour cream. About 1 cup's worth. And we're gonna add our Shio Koji, about 3 to 4 tablespoons. We're gonna stir that together. Juice from 1 lime. And we're gonna add some garlic to that. It's about 3 pieces of garlic. And we kind of want to just paste them out. So crush it, chop it real good. Drag your knife over it, really crush it. Just by dragging your knife over and over again, you get a nice paste. Stir it in real good. So it doesn't need any salt really at all. Koji just seasons it real nice. It gives it a lot of umami. Now we've had the koji roasted yam in there for about 10-15 minutes. We're gonna pull it out and take a look. It's nice and caramelized, as you can see. The koji's tightened up. We got a little bit of browning on it. We're gonna plate up the dish. First things first, we wanna put our sauce down. Make a little circle out of it. A little well so it sits nice and tight. Green onions add a nice, clean, herbaceous flavor to the dish. We just wanna cut them as thin as we possibly can. Those are gonna sit right in the middle, so those are gonna go right in the middle. Then we're gonna take our 2 baby yams. Careful because they're really hot. These little things hold a lot of heat. Next we're gonna add our Yuzu Kosho, which is gonna bring a nice little bit of spiciness and also some nice acid for the richness of this dish. Next we're gonna add our toasted pistachio, which is gonna give a nice nuttiness. And then a little bit of olive oil. You can also use sesame oil. Toasted sesame oil would be really nice with this dish as well. But here being a French restaurant, we're gonna use olive oil. A nice herb would work with this. You could use regular watercress. Shiso would be nice. Something just to make it brighter and more vegetal. And there you go, your koji roasted yam with koji crème fraîche, toasted pistachio, and Yuzu Kosho. Great seasonal hit with our customers here at Popular. It's been on the menu since Halloween. It's great for the holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. It has all those real spicy, warm, kind of winter flavors that you're looking for when you think of a fall dish. What I like about this dish is it really showcases the koji. You get the umami in the cream sauce and a little bit of saltiness, and then on the yam it really caramelizes and the koji enzymes really break down the starches and bring a lot of sugar to the dish, and it's an extreme umami flavor. The benefits of using Shio Koji on vegetables for me is it intensifies their flavor, gives them great umami, and really makes them shine on their own without having to do too much to the vegetable. My food is very simple. I like to add just minimal things to make an ingredient shine, and for me, Shio Koji does that by just ramping up the flavor and giving it a kick of umami.